I'm going to talk a little bit about a website here that's new to me. I've just recently learned about it last month. I teach accounting and advanced accounting, and I went to training for my advanced accounting class in June. So they had talked a little bit about this site, and I'm hoping to use it in both my regular accounting class and my advanced accounting, which my advanced accounting students are embedded into my regular accounting class. So hopefully we can just use this together. Um, but I'm not sure. Again, this is new to me, but it is a free website and I hear beneficial to accounting students. So I have created a login, but so I would do for teachers, and I'm already logged in here because I've been looking around on this a little bit. But up here, start here, go places. Here's your settings, sign out, my stuff, search, view student edition. So if you want to select that, that's what it would look like if as a student logs in and starts to view the page. But from what I've seen, the classroom resources, there's many things to pick from. So it's going to show me everything, obviously. Videos. So it pops up these options. Explore the CPA profession, accounting faculty shortage, passion for teaching, so virtual field trips, and then practice exercises. So I'm hoping to get some stuff out of here that I can give my students as we're going over lessons. Here's some crossword puzzles with CPA right there. So you would download that, and then the puzzle comes off, and I can print those off for my students, and hopefully, yeah. So it has that, and then I get the answer sheet here. So I'm really going to like this part of this site. Let's see, lesson plans. So again, over here, topic accounting practice, accounting principles, career options. Let's look at that. Keeps coming up virtual field trips. I'm not sure, but it's your future. So we've got lesson plan tackles major personal finance issues in young people's futures. Get the lesson plan. So here it has moved. So apparently I'm going to do a little more research on this just to see what that lesson is. Let me see here, basic. So keeps bringing me back to other links. Again, I apologize. I'm not real familiar with this yet, but I am going to start using it this year in my accounting classes. Let's see, some group activity stuff here. Where did you first learn about accounting? And click the link to download the handout. Okay, so just a lot of download items. And so this is just kind of a question and a response for my students. Where did you first learn about accounting? What first taught me about accounting was my initial feelings about accounting were. So this might be a good bell ringer the first week of my class. Professional development. So educator focused articles. So here are a lot of articles I can read. 10 ways to take advantage of the summer months. Creating a teaching portfolio that gets you noticed. What it takes to be an A+ teacher. So articles, just some good reading activity for me to read as an accounting teacher to hopefully get better at what I'm doing. Printed materials. Budgeting 101. This here might be beneficial for my intro to business class as well. So I might find some stuff in here that I can use in my other classes. Online activities. Ask a CPA, go green while doing good. Some practice exercise stuff down here, sustainable luxury and in-class accounting competition. So I'll read a little bit more about these things. Again, I need to become a little more familiar with this because I haven't used this yet. I just learned about it last month in my professional development for my advanced accounting class. So anyway, I wanted you all to know about this site. If any of you out there teach accounting and you're not familiar with this might be something beneficial for you to use as well.